You guys looking for an indicator sent down from the Lord himself? Well, look no farther. Introducing the reversal indicator. This little black box. This is what's gonna save your entire existence. For example, oh here I'm doing my daily life. Oh yeah, I'm brushing my teeth. Ding ding ding. All of a sudden you get a message on your phone. Alert, 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 look at your charts. There's a reversal at play. And then me, I spit out all my stuff. And I jump on the computer, go on the charts, and I see this little tiny black dot right here. Oh my goodness. Like, if you actually seen that in real life, like, you would be a millionaire basically is what would happen. Because how this works out, you look for this kind of shape right here, takes out this liquidity, and you just know 100% full margin that a drop is going to happen. And you might be wondering where this drop goes to. It goes all the way, like right now you're at 1.08 for price. This goes all the way down to 0.0001. So basically, if you put 1 cent, just put 1 penny, just 1 penny on this trade right here, millionaire guys. So anyhow, you guys are interested in making millions off of 1 penny? I got the indicator for you guys. Alright, so hit me up.